Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some coconut macaroons. So let's get started. They are so yummy. So I'm going to start with a skillet. I'm going to put in 1 cup of coconut, milk of your choice, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm going to mix that up. And I'm going to cook until thickened. And that won't take long. Like that, you can see that there's no more liquid coming down. And I'm going to transfer it to a plate. Spread it out and allow it to cool. Okay, I've gotten these cooled down now. So I'm just going to take a small amount, roll it into a ball, and shape it into a macaroon shape. And I'm going to place them on parchment paper. And I'm going to freeze them until they're solid. And now my macaroons have frozen solid, like that. And I have some melted chocolate. So I'm going to take one of my macaroons, and dip it into the chocolate, tap off the excess, and place it back down on the parchment paper. And then I'm going to let them set up. And you can leave them plain like that, or add a bit more chocolate and sprinkle some coconut on the top. They are so yummy. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make your own chocolate macaroons. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.